well, you know anything different? Notice anything? Notice anything? Notice anything? Ha ha. Well, I cut my hair. I got hiccups. But I cut my hair. See? I like it. It's short. It used to be down to like, I don't know, halfway down my back. But, oh, God, these hiccups are annoying. I hate hiccups. Do you? Ugh. Anywho, so, today I, got up, took a shower, got my hair cut, and did laundry. Oh, I played a little bit of Wizard 101, and then I did laundry. See, I'll show you. My lamp's in the way a little. See, I did laundry. I'm excited. I didn't have enough to do, use the dryer. So I just put up a contraction. Anywho, I think it's pretty cool. It has, my shower rod in the middle, so like I can't take a shower until my clothes are done. Drying. Gosh, these things are so annoying. Anywho, really, that is all I did today. So, yesterday's question. Yesterday's question was, what is your favorite cereal? And, hold on. These hiccups are really getting on my nerves. Oh, man. Anywho, Kid Market Kids has, my favorite cereal is Rusty Nails, because I am from Men'sville, and we chop down trees with our bones. Oh, okay, that's interesting. And then he says, the question should be, well, we're going to skip right to the question, because his question is going to be today's question. He says, what is your favorite episode of Mr. Wiggles and the Spaghetti Monster? And he says that his favorite episode, some big long D word, who he says, my favorite episode, that's the episode. Give me a second, I can make it talk. I can make my computer talk to you. I love that. It's this Google Translator, translator.google.com. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. I can make it speak in Japanese. So, it's pretty cool. Well, that's his favorite Wiggles episode. I don't know if that's a favorite episode. I don't know. I don't watch Wiggles. There you go. Anywho, and then the rest of what he said, is my favorite episode. It makes me so happy when I see my comments on YouTube Star's video. Thanks, Casey. I think you'll have 1,000 subscribers by January. Well, I don't think I will. No offense, but you haven't even subscribed to my channel, so I don't think I'll get anywhere near 1,000, so. by January. It's like in 6 months, but I don't think I will. So, thanks anyways, but I don't think I will. Anywho, I'm gonna make my thingy talk for you. The GoogleTranslator.com. Translator.google.com. I will make it say, hi, how are you? And I can say it in Japanese. And not Japanese. Isn't that pretty cool? I like it. Anywho, well, that's it for today's video. Again, question is, what is your favorite Mr. Wiggles episode? And leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have fun.